Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be discussing the best and most underrated shotgun in Call of Duty World War II, which is the M30 Luftwaffe drilling. The class setup you see on screen is using the reflex sight and quick draw. I'm using hustle basic training and the division is airborne. This gun has recently just got a buff in the latest patch, and they have increased the one-shot kill range to this gun and tightened the pellet spread when aiming down sight. This gun can now get one-shot kills up until 18 meters, which is a similar range to the KSG from Black Ops 2 and the Argus from Black Ops 3, which is insane. Up to about 6 meters, you're basically guaranteed a one-shot kill because you only have to hit 3 out of 8 of your pellets to get a one-shot kill. However, past 6 meters, you need to hit 7 out of 8 of your pellets to get a one-shot kill, and then past 12 meters you need to hit all 8 of your pellets to get a one-shot kill, which is why you need to be aiming down sight when you use this weapon, and that's also why we have the reflex sight on and quick draw. One thing holding this weapon back is its insanely slow reload time, which is why we're going to be running hustle to make that a little bit faster. You're also going to make sure you have a good secondary on hand, like the machine pistol with extended mags, the 9mm SAP, or the Enfield No. 2 revolver. So if you have not tried this shotgun out yet, give it a go. It's really good. But guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Gotcha, bitch! Incoming enemy artillery! Get to cover! Dropping Fritz X-Bomb!